Today we are going to make healthy popsicles. First you have to take banana and peel it off. Then take a toothpick stick and poke it in the middle of the banana. Then take some chocolate and melt it over. Then take groundnut and peel it over. Be careful if it's too hot. Now the chocolate has melted. Then crush the groundnut and take some extra chocolate crumbs. So chocolate syrup, banana, chocolate crumbs and groundnut is ready. Now we have to take the banana and roll it over in the groundnut and the chocolate crumbs. If you want more, you can take it in your hand and sprinkle it over them so it will stick to it easily. Like we are doing. We wanted it to be more crunchy and tasty with all of this. Then you have to dip it into the chocolate. Or else you can take it in the spoon and pour it over if you can't dip it and it is too hot. Now pour some groundnut crumbles and it is ready. You have to keep it in the refrigerator for some time and eat it happily. Bye guys.